Yo, jam. Mm-hmm. GM, send in your GM. GM. Mm-hmm. Yo, photo dude, what's up? Matt, I greet you, GM to you. Ah, shows you, what's up? GM to you. GM. Yeah. Um, photo dude, I see your comment. Ready to learn and ready to take advantage of the market. Yep, let's go. So GM, I'm trying to inform the community that we're live right now. So you know, link, retweet as usual, share, invite your people. So share the link, invite your people to join, and then please, at any given time, if there's any network issue or something, let me know. Okay, I travel to another city, so I don't really know if the network here is that strong. So I'm informing the community that we're live streaming right now. So yeah, it's that strong. So I'm informing the community that we're live streaming right now. So King Sammy Jam, yeah, you joined from Twitch. Jam to you. You're all on Twitch. Are you serious? Twitch people. Oh yeah. So we got 35 people in here right now. Um, that's cool. Um, I'm trying to like tell the community we're active, okay? So please just be a little bit patient, right? So let me share the YouTube link now and tell the community to join, okay? So just be patient. We're going to get active now. Diamond Prince, I greet you especially. GM to you. So let me join the live stream on YouTube. Joe Stan, GM to you. Diamond Prince, you didn't join on YouTube today. We got 7 people on Twitch. Are you serious? So you're on Twitch. I haven't been sharing the Twitch link since. Yo, that's amazing. That's amazing. So I think we'll be doing more Twitch. I'll be sharing more of Twitch link, I'll be sharing the Twitch link. Kata Efe has made Twitch popular in Nigeria. So I'll be sharing the Twitch link. That's amazing. This is the highest number of people I've gotten on Twitch. I always had Twitch, but I wasn't taking it seriously. I always had Twitch, but I wasn't taking it seriously. Yeah, it's the video and Kata Efe made it popular. I'm thinking Sammy's comment, yeah. Yeah, they made it popular for real. So okay. Then let me share that of Twitter now and we'll start, okay? I share that of Twitter and we're gonna start, okay? We got 42 people here. Yeah. Yesterday was crazy. How many of you saw what happened yesterday? Okay, Sandra said I subbed too. How many of you saw what happened yesterday? What is your take on what happened yesterday in the market? What happened yesterday? Animal King said manipulation. GM, Mr. Vertex King, GM to you. So what happened yesterday? What happened? What happened? That is an interesting move yesterday. So what happened yesterday? Tell me. Can you say hello to my sis, Ila? Hi, Ila. Okay, King Sammy said, I'm still surprised that BTC didn't hit our stop loss. It was just $8 from hitting the stop loss. Very crazy. That's for the conservative, I mean. But for the aggressive, it hits the stop loss. But for the conservative entry, it didn't hit the stop loss. And the conservative is I think it's okay, it's almost at break even right now. You know. Hi Sandra. Shout out to Sandra. Yeah, shout out to you. Mr. Vertex King said, my mouth no fit talk what happened, what happened. But it's well. Yeah. You know, um yesterday was one of those days. It's amazing. So okay, so Rambo Chuku said there was no clear change of character on 4 hours. There was no manipulation to market obey the structure. Okay, good opinion. Good opinion. Um, GM boss. Okay, GM to you. Unala Chukebuka. Irechuku said, I know if he sleep last night. Then Joe Stan said, market na unemotional OS. Me, I'm unemotional. I don't have emotions again. Okay. Great comment. Great comment. Great comment. Great comment. Okay. So yeah. So, anyways, in my opinion, right? I detest. I don't think anybody has seen me, or maybe it was during my beginning days, but I don't think anybody have seen me use the word manipulation. I don't like to say manipulation. Use the word manipulation. A lot of people believe that the market is can be manipulated, right? And I know I'm not of the opinion that it doesn't happen. But personally, I don't believe in it. You know how some of us, we know that these things exist, but we don't believe in some of those things. Like, let's say, some people might be like, oh, I know there is juju, but I don't believe in juju. You get what I'm saying? So, Yeah, so that's, I think that's the case for me. I don't believe in manipulation, right? I don't believe in manipulation, but I know it exists, right? So, towards the end of the year, when the year is coming to an end, there's usually low volume in the market. So when there's low volume in the market, crazy things happen in the market, because now people can easily do and undo with their capital, with their money. You understand? So it happens, yeah, it happens. But me, I'm a professional analyst, and you know, I don't want to believe it happens, because I believe everything is always shown in the chart. You get what I'm saying? Everything is shown in the chart. But then, uh, for the throughout this month, let me ask this question so that we're going to have a direction in this live stream. Okay, so throughout this month, right, how many of you have been trading with us consistently throughout this month? How many of you have been trading with us consistently throughout this month? Like since the beginning of December, you've been trading consistently with us. How many of you? How many of you? You've been trading with us consistently. Oh, Senator, good morning to you. Good morning. Okay, Irechukwu Michael said, yeah, him. Okay, he raised his hand up. Okay, Godwin Agada say here. Okay, cool. Mm. Yeah, so please, you know how we do this, we always comment trading all this month. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, so while you're commenting on the question I asked, let's move over to the next question. So throughout this month, right, the wins, the losses, how many of you are in profit and how many of you are in losses? So if you're in profit, comment profit. If you're in losses, you comment totally. How many of you are in profit? How many of you are in losses? Okay, so you can comment, please. Drop a comment. If you've been trading with us consistently since the beginning of this month, then how is your portfolio like? Are you in losses? Are you in profits? Okay, King Sammy said profit from Twitch. King Sammy said profit. Photo Dude said in profit. And okay, yeah, Diamond. On the live stream, you said you were going to take a yesterday on the live stream. You said you were going to take the aggressive. I took the aggressive and the conservative. They both. I said it, and bro, it fucked me up. The profit, the aggressive fucked me up, but then the conservative is good. It's good. Iwechuku said profit. Senator said profit. The gene the Genesis. Oh, mom, I think I'll stop at Genesis. So okay, the Genesis Ace said profit. Okay, cool. So basically, if we've been trading with us consistently, um, doing what we have been posting, I think basically we've been in profit. You get me? And that is how it has ever since initial. I don't know if that word is correct, but that is how it has been since inception, right? We've always been in profit. Okay, always been in profit. So why I'm saying this? A lot of people are distracted. Why you see, I love transparency like crazy. Because what we are doing here is exceptional. You need to understand what we are doing here is exceptional, right? Just a few people in the world can be able to do this professionally and be as transparent as I am. Okay, so that is why you see, I turn on the comment section. So I turn on the comments, you can be able to see it on the screen. Everybody can see the comments on the screen. I'm not just reading that comment and you're not seeing it. I always do this for every live stream. People are commenting, whether good, whether bad, is coming up. You get me, right? You get me. So whether good, whether bad, is coming up. So yeah, so WhatsApp said loss. Okay, so um we have a lot of people saying profit and WhatsApp said loss. Okay, so WhatsApp, how are you on loss? Because I mean, most of the trades a 1:2 win, most of the trade, so we win 1:2. So what it simply means is that when we hit profit 1:2, most of our trades, right? It means that we need, for you to be able to lose that money entirely, you need two losses back to back to hit break even, and three losses back to back to then um to then be at loss. So if you have been on loss, you are your biggest problem. That is it. So I just wanted to like clear this up because some people are distracted, right? So when we hit a loss, how many of you have you noticed this? There's a lot of um negative reaction and all that when we hit one loss. But when we are hitting profits, everywhere just kind of quiet, aside from those people sending me their PNL and I'm posting and all that. So that is human nature, right? So I started running a community. Um, I started running a community when I was 24, 25 years old, and today I'm 30 years old today. So I've been doing this for like 5 years, right? So you need to understand that I have been I have been through a lot of processes, right? You need to also understand that I'm used to a lot of things, and you need to understand that for me to be able, so for me to be able to show up every day, irrespective of the result, you need to understand that I am a different breed. Because not a lot of people can do this. I mean to say, ever since the bear market started, I've been talking about the bear market. So ever since the market started tanking and all that, how many of your influencers are active? How many of your idolos are active? A lot of people have abandoned their community. It's always happened every cycle. You get what I'm saying, right? So that's it, right? That's it. What I'm saying is, uh, a lot of a lot of people, a lot of people, right? What I'm saying is because of a lot of people, they want us to fall. I don't know why people are like that. They want us to fall. Some people are, some people are sending me personal DMs, like text messages on my number, insulting me and all of that. I don't understand. You know the funny thing? I don't know if probably if that person is here or the person comes to watch this video later or those people, I don't know if you think you're doing it that when you're doing it, I don't know if you're doing that. I don't know if you think that it is going to be provoking me or making me angry or demoralize me. Jesus, it's not going to happen like that. Like, I mean, bro, this is a professional trader. So if you one thing you're going to know about professional traders is that their emotions are fucked up. You get me? So they are numb. That is how you can do trading. So this is something that a lot of people don't get to talk. Um, for you to do trading professionally, so there's no point of the text messages. I mean, um, let me show you. Let me show you. Let me show you. So let me show you guys. So see this particular guy. I don't know if this is clear, but this particular guy is like look at his number 0708 right, 1115. He's like, Mr. Stop Loss Hitter, another stop loss hit, bankrupting the community, the guessing analyst, pity people capital small. Then another message came in another day. Shut up, man. Your win rate is 2/10. After causing so much loss, you have the guts to blame it on people's risk management. Weary. Yesterday night, he sent me a message. Update your stop loss hit, lol. You get what I'm saying? You can see it here. Now, where is this other one? Okay, see this one. Crypto is the same person, I guess, because the same type of how would I put it? The same diction. So crypto guesser analyst. That's your Igbo eyes. Igbo like I dey smoke now. Then your signal don't hit stop loss since now you dey zuzu. So I don't understand. Like I see, I used to get this type of message. There's this particular guy I used to know from 2020, 2021 and all that. He used to send me this type of messages until one day he then became instant. So, but then I don't know the people that send this type of messages. I don't know why they send this type of messages. I don't know if you are maybe you think that, oh, I am pained now. That is the person. Let me know if I can make him feel pain. I'm so sorry. I'm not going to feel pain. I am so numb. You get, I'm so numb. So there's no point of sending these messages. You understand? Thank God there are no threats, because once there are threats, I will just send your number to the DSS. They come and pick you up where you are. You come and explain why you are threatening the biggest DC. But until then, it's just normal talks. It's just normal talks. So I don't know why this type of messages keep coming in, because so you see, and another reason why I'm saying this is because of, for some of you, in the future, you might start running communities. You might want to also impact in people the way I'm impacting people and all that, right? You need to understand that these are part of the things you will face. So prepare for it. Okay, prepare for it, because personally, nobody prepared me for this, because I didn't have people to look up to then. But right now, I've gotten used to the process over the years. You understand? So if it was before, I would feel somehow. But right now, I'm not that guy. You understand? I'm not that guy. No, 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 I'm not that guy. In fact, for what it is, if this particular individual meets me face to face, I don't believe he can tell me this stuff face to face. And if you tell me those stuff face to face, I'm a you understand? Because that's how I am oriented. You understand? So now, talking about this, I'm then going to explain this to you guys, right? So why it's happening. So sometimes that was the reason I asked this question. If you have been in love because of this, a lot of people, you understand, a lot of people, right? A lot of people, they a lot of people, they don't understand trading yet. Trust me, I do trading as a business. I do trading as a normal trader. I do trading as a content creator. I do trading as a teacher. What I'm doing right now, I'm creating content right now, I'm teaching at the same time, right? I do trading as an analyst. I do trading as a lot of things. I've built a whole lot of career around trading, right? I've built a whole lot of career around trading. And see, something I need to tell you, I have met people from different parts of the world. In fact, let us try something here. Rep your country or rep where you base. Just drop your flag. Drop your flag of your country or rep where you base. So some of you, you're going to see some stuff now. I meet people from different parts of the world, different races of people. Now, see something I've come to understand and I've learned over the years. People, people will just be people. Number one. Number two, people prefer a shortcut. And when that shortcut doesn't work, you know what those people are going to do? They are going to come back to blame people like me that is taking the long cut, that is putting in the work, putting in the sacrifice, is trying to lead. Now, another thing is this. Another thing is this, right? Um, People, they don't like taking accountability. How many of you have heard me say, don't go all in? How many of you have heard me say, use good risk management? How many of you have heard me say, don't don't use how many of you have heard me say, don't over leverage? The things I say here, a lot of analysts, a lot of influencers, they don't say it. So there's a reason why I'm starting this live stream like this today, so that we'll talk. Okay, so that we will know that you get. So a lot of people, like, they just do stuff, and it's just crazy. And another thing I needed to understand also is that, you know, whenever, thank you so much. Somebody just said, adjust your stop loss to break even too. Whenever trades kick off. Photo dude is my student, direct student. Photo dude is from he's from Europe, right? He said, I take profit whenever I'm positive, stop loss at break even, or take loss if SL hits, but always take profit partials. These things are part of the teachings I teach. Some people, when their trade is in loss, let me say, for instance, yesterday, you saw what happened yesterday in the market. You know what some people are going to do? They are going to take off their stop loss. The reason why they are taking off their stop loss is because of they have now over invested. So they are scared of hitting a stop loss. Lucky, Luckily for them, their trade might be at break even now. But some days, when it keeps going down, they get liquidated. You know who they're going to blame? The biggest DC. Onala Chukwuebuka said, um, and also don't overtrade. You get what I'm saying? And also don't overtrade. So you see, people are gonna, people are gonna, people are then gonna come and behave somehow, and then they try to pin it on you. Yesterday, and and just like how we know biggest wiz does, what biggest wiz does is that biggest wiz, okay, no, big wiz will ignore you. So me, over the years, I've then known how to like I don't like calling myself these things because I just see myself as a regular guy. Okay, I see myself as a very regular person. So um over the years, my friends will be like, yo, you don't you know you're a public figure, you need to act like it, you need to behave like it. So if it's before, if you insult me or tell me something, I would sometimes I still do it now. But then over the years, I've then learned how to, just how will I put it? I just, just let some things just slide, and I understood something. We are achieving, I mean to say, we are achieving success, we are growing gradually, and all of that. And obviously, a lot of things will come with it. Some people would like you for no reason. How many of you like me for no reason? Yeah, I'm gonna say some people comments are gonna come in. Some people just like you for no reason. Oh, I just like this guy, I just admire this guy. And I expect naturally that the same way people are going to like me for no reason. You just don't have any reason to like me. That is the same way people are not going to have any reason to just hate on me. So if I can accept the likeness for no reason, why won't I be able to accept the hate for no reason? Now, you guys listening to me, these are the things you also need to work on as an individual. These are the kind of mindset you should also have. Okay, we're going to dive into the chat soon, right? But then it's not always chat we do here. I mean, we're doing mentorship, we're doing inspiration, we're doing motivation, we're doing education, we're doing you know um we're doing education, we're doing entertainment. Some days I come here, I start laughing. So we're doing all of this stuff, you get me, right? So yeah, so not just chat, because I mean we need to be better humans as individuals. You understand what I'm saying? So it is what it is. What I do literally is I pay no attention, just in case you're among those people. See, okay, Ibo James said, I admire your resilience always, boss. Thank you so much. And Friday said, I am one of them. Some so some of you that always attend my live stream, I told you guys something one time. I need to plug this now. So I told you guys that oh my god, this is gonna be dark now. Okay, let me just keep it like this. What? Okay, I know what to do. Okay, this is cool like this, right? Sorry, I'm in a hotel. I'm bro. Oh, how am I gonna set this now? Because this stuff is kind of low already, so I need to. I'm in a hotel right now. I'm not in my city. Okay, let me do this like this. Okay, cool. So like this is okay. Some I don't understand. See, bro, do you know what it means to be a leader in a trading community? Bro, you go mad though. See, let me tell you something. One time, my wife was always complaining that I don't give her time, that I'm not always paying attention. Some people they come to me, they tell me, "Yo, dream chaser, how do you balance your family?" I got married at a very young age. I got married at 20. I got married at 26 years old. In fact, I became a father at 26 years old. That's quite young. You know, so some people they be like, how do you balance your family life, your work with your work? Because I mean, bro, everybody knows that I'm a hard worker. Everybody, everybody knows I'm a hard worker. Jesus Christ, I I work so hard. In fact, the reason why I reduce is because of so I developed spondylitis, so my back is messed up. You understand? So, but I've worked fucking hard. That bro, my voltage is just so high. You get me? So now, um, people ask me how do I balance my family and this, but man, it's not really easy. So one time, my wife was complaining that I'm always working, no time for attention. You know how women are now. Then one day, I then say, you know what? Take my laptop, reply messages from WhatsApp, just WhatsApp alone, not other platform, just WhatsApp. She was trying to reply the messages. That time we had only one daughter. Now we are three. We have three babies, three daughters. So she was crying. My daughter was crying. Or rather, our daughter was crying. She did not even hear it. She was crying just beside her, but she did not hear it because she was so engrossed into that. Now, it's just this year I started to employ hands into the community to just help me with like doing some stuff. Now we have a virtual assistant that is replying comment on Twitter, Gmail, trying to attend to my DMs. For people offer me a lot of job every day. It's just now that I saw on Twitter that there's a lot of chat I've not even replied. He's trying to reply them and all that. The virtual assistant. It's just now. But before I was the one doing all this myself. Only me. So I've been trying to do this. I've been doing this for 4 years now. You go mad now. You understand? You go mad. Your head no go correct. So now there's no reason of you trying to come to attack me. I know you don't like me. For those of you that don't like me, some people said Friday said he likes me for no reason. He's one of them. Cool. Thank you so much, Friday. So there's no need for you to come and be attacking me. You understand? But if you want to attack me, continue attacking me, criticize me. I love it. I always say it here. I say, please make sure you scrutinize me. Always scrutinize me. Always make sure that you scrutinize me. I always say that all the time. Make sure you look into me. Try and is Dream Chaser still very honest? Is Dream Chaser still transparent? Please always do that with me. You understand that with me, please. You cannot see they get people that all these it's all these type of celebrities that are musicians that they put emotions into singing. Fireboy, Rema, they put emotions to singing that you can insult it to touch them. Me, some of you come here to hail me. Hailing me has never made my head swell up. But then do you think that insult will make my head reduce? No, I'm fucking biggest DC. This is biggest DC here. Companies, multi-billion dollar companies are collaborating with our brand. You see what they do, see customized campaigns. You Dream Chaser X, Bybit. We are giving out $1,000 this. Or Dream Chasers. You think go do them now? Go do them now. If I want to host an event right now, if I want to host any event right now, let's say I want to do uh that. I'm not going to spend $1 personally from my personal funds. I must start it with my personal funds. Then at the end of the day, a company comes and clear the whole bill. Do you have that type of what? You that is trying to attack me. Do you have that type of what? Let me show you something. Let me show you guys something. If I'm saying this, some of you don't know what's going on. I'm going to show you guys something, and then after this, we'll then go straight into the chat. So, but today we're gisting. Saying that my guys now with the gist. Let me show you guys something. And mind you, Mind you, I see literally almost everything. So if I don't reply, you know that maybe I'm very busy or you're not worth replying. You see, I see literally everything. So if you comment, if you drop a comment, anything you do, I'm seeing it. So if I'm not replying, you know that I am busy or you are not worth replying. Especially if you post rubbish, I will not reply. Let me log in. Let me show you. Let me show you guys something. I'm going to show you guys some stuff right now. If I show you the thing, you people will just laugh. You know. While it's coming up, let me read some comments here. Okay, Ibo James said I admire your resilience. Okay, thank you so much. Crypto Edge said your flexibility to the market matters me a lot, I swear. Yes, now if market change direction, we change. So now, yesterday I put an entry on Sol at $129. It hit that entry, I went straight to max big profit. But guess what? I told you people not to take that trade. The reason why I told you not to take that trade is because of BTC itself has changed structure. But BTC changed structure and rechanged the structure. So when there's a bullish change of character, then it changes again. You understand what I'm saying, right? So, and I will keep following it. So there's something. Yeah, I said I was going to say this, right? I said I was going to say this on the live stream. So there's something that I need you all to understand. I want, when you're following somebody, right? You need to understand quite a lot about that person so that you know what you're doing with that person, right? And I like to. That is one of the reasons why I come on live stream here. We talk and all that because you need to understand the personality of the person you're dealing with and why some things happen. Now, let me tell you something, right? On the day there's going to be a very big move in the market, we dream chasers, we're going to catch it. You know why we're going to catch it? We show up every fucking day. Any day there'll be a miracle that for us to win so big, we're going to catch it. And any day there's a movement in the market that's going to make us lose, we're not going to lose so much because of what we're always putting our stop loss to 30%. And when there is a move into profit, we have adjusted our stop loss to break even. In fact, yesterday, that BTC trade that hit stop loss has already pumped. It's just that I love taking accountability. If not, that trade has already pumped to 14% profit. Normally, our style is we could have adjusted our stop loss to break even, two of us. But even me, I didn't do it. Why I didn't do it was because of I was confident in that analysis, double bottom breakout, a retest, and I was still expect when we got to 14%. I wanted to tweet or post, adjust your not even adjust, expect a reversal to come and pick the other entry because that movement up to 14% was a breakout, or rather a continuous breaking out. But obviously, this breakout and retest, that's what we're trading. I was expecting it. But one of my rules is this: in every trade you enter, at least try to get a 1:1 risk, 1:1 win. When you get a 1:1 win, you just need a loss. You need 2 trades to be in loss, because 2 trades, the first one is going to take the win, that is that win you won, or 1:1, that is minimum. Then the next one is going to then put you in loss. And sometimes I do 1:1. You know why I do 1:1? I am fucking good with my analysis. So because of I'm so good, I now know that okay, with my analysis style and the wins I get from it, I win at least 80% of my trades. When it's worse, 70%, on the worst month, 70%. So now, if I can predict 10 trades and be able to win 7, that means if I'm doing a 1:1, I will be on 70% at the end of the month. You see how the calculation is. If you know that your strategy is 50% win rate, right? And you're doing a 1:1, you know that 1:1 at the end of the month you'll be at break even. So you need a 1:2 to be able to be in profit. This is simple, and you are still a profitable trader. I'm almost entering the spirit. I'm almost in the spirit. So you get what I'm saying, right? Yo, guys, please share the live stream. While there's something I want to check now. Share the live stream, and when you share the live stream, please share the live stream and you know, share the live stream, retweet, repost, wherever you are, please do that, okay? So yeah, that's the crypto air said my flexibility. So yeah, so now I'm flexible because of, yeah, I'm a day trader. I mean, I'm always on the chat. This is my full-time work. I'm always here on the chat, you know. King Sammy said almost since I started trading, I don't lose all my feelings. Of course now. No time. Me say if I be imagine me with the day chat every day. What do you think? What do you expect? Diamond said, seriously, you're amazing and unique. Thank you so much, Diamond. Thank you. Now let me show you guys something. See part of the things we do get to deal with. So before I bring this up, how many of you are active? If you're active, drop active. Let me be sure you're active. If you're active, drop active. Make una no vex. So I did hotel like this. This place, the lighting in here is fucked up. You know, I'm not in my base. You know, so that is why my face is a little bit blurry. But it's okay. I think it's okay. Sharp. Um, then please, you know what I told you guys on Twitter. There's a way you can do it. You stream on HD. Okay. Okay. Anima King active. Missani active. Irechiko active. Please, everybody's active, right? Okay. Active. 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 Interesting. Now here we go. How many of you can see this? So this is why I say I see everything, but I ignore it. So this particular person, Cable Lord, I think this guy is part of the person that is um insulting me and all that shit, right? On sending me DMs, you know, and all that. If you go through this guy's page, you might probably see no single greatness. Join me for daily market update and all. So you want to be like DC. You want to build the kind of thing I've built, but you don't know how to go about it. And the best way to go about it is to insult me or something. So, see, a content creator masquerading as a technical analyst and trader, dream chaser, keep wrecking people money. Now, look at the image he put up. When I was yesterday, I was like, entries are activating, bullish, buy. Then I say, close your eyes and imagine BTC goes to straight to 83K. Everywhere go first boss, you know. And I was laughing. If you're not buying now, you're finished. I be we that bought are finished, you know. Now he saw this as when I was cruising, obviously. I mean, this is my personality, you know. When I was cruising and all that, you know, he saw it as a, oh, I've now seen something to use and go and drag this in. And he posted this. You see the views he got, 15 views. That is what he got and all that. If I had replied to this stuff, probably it will enter maybe 100, 100, 200, 1000 views or more, depending on how any other person sees it as controversial. But you see, I did not reply this. Now, this is just an example of the kind of things we get to deal with. This particular person, tell this person, leave the community. This particular person will not leave the community. Tell this person, or you mute or block biggest DC everywhere. This die-hard fans, they want what you want, they want what you have, and the best way for them to go about it is not to be inspired, but to try and pull you down. Can you pull down what you did not build? The same. Now, imagine this is why I say imagine if I was a very, very emotional person. Or if I was emotional, this kind of thing gets to me. You know what I would do? I'll be like, they know they appreciate me. That was how I started back then. That time when I started, it's part of the process. So that time I'll be like, they don't appreciate me. In fact, you know what? I will not do anything again for anybody. I will not do this one. Not be myself, I did do. So you get what I'm saying, right? So this is just like a sample of the kind of things we get to deal with, and but it's okay. It's part of the. I'm happy. There was a time I wanted people to know me, drag me, and all that. I'm happy. You understand? There's some set of people. There's some set of people that we call. Okay, these are some good comments. Okay, there are some set of people that we call Dream Chasers Army. Some of you don't know. We have we have we have some set of people we call Dream Chasers Army. See, we have so many comments coming. I don't, bro. Now those people, I know that they'll go and insult this person now. And then again, this Saturday, you see Bybit Africa. So Bybit. So okay. So let me I want to do this now. Right now, let me be serious. Okay. I want to do this because I believe that a lot of you listen to me, and some of you are inspired by what I do. Some of you, yeah. So let me show you guys something. No, I don't want to. I'm always cruising and laughing, but then let me show you guys something. So you see, this Saturday on X Spaces, P2P scans versus P2P retrading, separating facts from fear. Join at Vindicated Chidi. Okay, this is Vindicated Chidi. I think I've heard this guy's name before. Oh my god, this guy has about 204,000 followers. Mad. Okay, so join Vindicated Chidi and Dream Chaser JTK as they break down common P2P scam, myths, share retrading inside, walk you through safe trading practices on Bybit P2P. If you trade P2P or plan to, this is a must attend conversation. So this is going to be happening on the Saturday, by special grace of God, on the 20th of December 2025 by 8 p.m. So you can set a reminder. Let me retweet this now. So I just retweeted it. Okay. Now I want to show you guys something. Okay, I want to show you something. This is Bybit Africa. So I'm clicking on Bybit Africa. Please, how many of you are still with me? If you're with me, click comment active, active. There's something I want to show you guys. So this is Bybit Africa, and then this is me trying to message Bybit Africa. I want to show you guys something. Okay, I don't know why this. I don't know, man. This is kind of slow. Okay. I want to show you guys something. They say make I put code. I say make I first come out the thing from screen before someone wanna hack me. But then, please, guys, network is clear, right? You can hear me clearly because I mean, this is just the little Wi-Fi I travel to. This is my pocket Wi-Fi. I traveled with it. This particular city, they don't even have 5G. Crazy, you know. So, oh my God, my DMs are showing Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Oh, okay. Bybit. So Bybit Africa. Okay, so this is Bybit Africa telling me the other day, thank you for your contribution tonight. We will fix. I'll show you something. See, see my first DM with Bybit. The reason why I'm showing you guys this is that I need you to. I don't know if this is going to inspire you or whatever, but I need you to just, you know, just get to understand what's going on here. Now, December 2022, I said, "Good day. I've been pushing Bybit for a while. I want to become a partner. They didn't reply me. So they then say, okay, yeah, okay, sometime they then say, hello, Chaser, you're most welcome to become our partner, blah, 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 and all that. I'm like, okay. November 2, 2023. Hello, Dream Chaser. See, good day. I've been pushing Bybit for a while now. I want to become a partner. December 2022. November 2, 2023. Hello, Dreams. Good morning from here. Would you be available to be our guest on Twitter Space next weekend? Can you see the change? 1 year, I worked my ass off. 1 year, I did a lot of things. 1 year, I had to prove myself. 1 year, I put in a lot of work. So I don't know, when did you get to know me? Some of these have happened before you got to know me, yeah? Some of these have happened before you got to know me. You get what I'm saying? See a lot of DMs from people, that want me to. So I'm like, yeah, good day. I did anything for Bybit. All right, Chief, I'll share details. Hello, Chief. We're all set for this. Look at the topic and all that. So, how many of you see that? So you saw what I showed you right now, yeah? Yo, guys, can you hear me? Oh my word, BTC is at 88K right now. Damn. Guys, I need to see your comment for me to be able to move on. I need to be sure everybody can hear me. Yo, 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 yo. I don't know if it's slow network or something, but man, this is crazy. Yo, is the network slow or something? Like it seems, I don't know if it's slow. It seems can't hear me or something. Okay, Mr. Vertex said your voice is clear. Yo. Is the network slow or something? Like it seems, I don't know if it's slow. It seems you can't hear me or something. Okay, somebody said your voice is clear. Okay, anyways, please, once it's clearer, please let me know. I need to be sure it's clear. Okay, let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Is it clear? That is why, man, when you travel like this, a lot of things will just be disoriented from your end, man. You know, network, and the worst is network. I don't like when network is behaving like this. Is the network better now? Okay, okay, okay. Animal King say yeah. So it's better now, yeah? Are we back? Are we back? Rechuku says like now we back, are we back? Are we back? Are we back? Are we back? Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Are we back? So they say it's good now. Let's take a look at USDT.D first of all. So yesterday was crazy. It's good now. Please, if it's good, first of all, if it's good, comment is good. I want to say it's good. Let me be sure everybody is following up. So if it's good, comment it's good. If it's good, comment is good. It's good. Meanwhile, congratulations, conservative guys. Conservative guys in the building. Woo! We're in profit. Okay, Animal King said it's good. Onala Chukwebuka said it's good. Other people, is it good on your end? Okay, King Sammy said it's good. Okay. Irechuku said yes. Okay, so see yesterday. Yesterday was a bit crazy. I was trying to show you guys some stuff on Bybit and like, yo, just be inspired, man. Do your thing, man. You never can tell. God, they bless everybody. You understand? So yesterday, we already had a fake out here, this particular place. But then I don't know the intent of these guys faking this out to clear this up. You understand? Just fake out, fake out, fake out. Crazy. I'm like, whoa, what the hell? Well, I think it's going to play out now. I just needed to show that. So you can see the fake out. I don't know why they did this to just clear people. I'm like, what? But then it's part of trading. So good thing stop loss was there to save us. Some people will argue that, oh, I wish I did not put stop loss. In fact, let me ask that question. How many of you wish you didn't put stop loss? Because right now the market is back. How many of you think wish you didn't put stop loss? Because I mean the market is back now. So I know some people will be like, I wish I did not put stop loss. So how many of you wish that? What just happened? Which kind of wahala be this? Uh-uh. What on earth just happened to my... Uh-uh. Can you see? This is crazy. Oh. I don't know how to like zoom this back. I think I'm just gonna end this. Bro, Anima King said you don't like trading BTC. So if you don't trade BTC, what do you trade then? Because I mean, BTC is like BTC has the best structure. So if you don't trade BTC, what do you trade? Mr. Vete said me I don't play with stop loss. So yes, so because if you don't trade, if somebody said Jesus. So this was the aggressive, this was the conservative. See how almost our stop loss. What? What? For the conservative. Almost. Jesus. Look at our stop loss down here. Almost. Somebody said it was $8 away from hitting our stop loss. And now we're in profit. $8 away. The aggressive neckline did not hold. This is a clear. See, let me tell you something. Oh my God. Animal King say it shocked me too. Yeah. Oh, I not bring this to the stage. Look at it. Look at it. Look at sorry. Look at it. Almost. Look at almost our stop loss. Let me expand this. Almost. See our stop loss. And it went back up. Hey! It was the aggressive one that fucked us up. Now let me show you something. One guy mentioned there was no clear change of character. I pity you, but it is well. See what we call breakout, retest, then boom. This is what we call bottom one, bottom two, breakout, retest, boom. From the inception, go and read anything I'm telling you right now. Go and research about it, browse about it, use YouTube, use anyway, anything, and check it. Screenshot it, post on ChatGPT. Okay. Now, from the beginning of technical analysis, this has always been a buying entry from here, where my mouse is. So bottom one, bottom two, breakout, retest, and everybody be like, oh, this is the character of. It is once in a blue moon that it will then come like this and not hold. And yesterday was that once in a blue moon. Now let me mark out that same thing and show you here. By the way, you guys are in 14% profit. 14% profit for those of you down this trade right now. So you see, bottom one, neckline, bottom two. There was a clear breakout. A clear breakout that closed above the neckline. We're supposed to have a retest the neckline and pump. But what did BTC do? BTC broke that same structure. And now BTC has broken structure again. How, what, when they say there's broken structure again, what does it mean? When someone come here and say that, there was no clear break of structure, I'm so surprised. Because why will you say something like that? Why? What I don't know, I don't want to call this manipulation. Some people call it fake out, blah blah. I don't want to call it that. It's just the market being the market. On some day shit happens. But please, I will take this particular trade a million times. That is one of the reasons why some of you are my diehard. Some of you are my diehard fans because of the type of results we have been achieving, and these are part of the things that help me achieve those results. Okay, so now let us do something. Somebody came here and said there was no break of structure. I'm like, what the fuck are you saying, bro? Now, this is, let's start from here. Let me bring it down here. Low, lower high, lower low, right? Back to this place, lower high. There was no lower low created as of yesterday. It was a double bottom. Then there was then a breakout above the lower high. When there's a breakout above the lower high, that should serve as what? The lower high should serve as what? The lower high should serve as a resistance. When there's a breakout above the lower high, that lower high and the closure, that lower high automatically becomes what? A support. Please, anything I'm saying, record this thing and go and post it and ask anything. Scrutinize what I am saying. For someone that'll come here and say rubbish. That is called the break of structure, a change of character. Clear one. It was not creating that. It was not creating another lower low. Then there was a break of that is now a support. I marked it out to that green box there. A support. Now, what we're expecting is for the market to come into the support, tap liquidity and pump. What happened? There was then another break of structure immediately. That is why the topic of today's live stream is what it is. Another break of structure immediately. Now we have had another break of structure again. How is there another break of structure again? Okay, let's say that shit that happened, okay? Fine and good. Now, here, this place I marked out from this point. In fact, let me mark it like this. All of these points are marked out. Look at my mouse here. All of these points is a support. When the support is broken the way it was broken here, when the support is broken the way it was broken here, now this support becomes a resistance. If prices come back to this support, is then supposed to start going down, because from a resistance you sell. There are some people that took a sell trade here yesterday, and they are right according to market structure. They are right. But what did the market do again? The market changed and broke that structure. They are right. Some people take a sell trade there. They are right. Fucking right. Because of what? There was a clear breakout. We're expecting a retest back to this point. Then another dump continues. So those people that did that yesterday, they were right. But what did BTC do again? BTC have broken structure and closed above this supposedly new resistance. Now, as it has closed above it, now that place is now a support. So don't be surprised, please. Do not be surprised if BTC does this. come back here. If BTC come back here, it is simple. It is just market structure. It is now coming to retest that support, peak liquidity, and then move up. Natural, normal market structure. Everything I say there, please go and check it anywhere in this world. This is world-class standard that I am telling you and I am giving you here. Okay? Now, when BTC is coming to retest here, some people will start to sell, they'll start to panic, start to shout. So now they will not know that, oh, it is just what? If go and check what they call inverted head and shoulder. The image is like this. A fake out, then come back here, retest and pump. This is what they call inverted head and shoulder. Too much knowledge going on around. So if it does that, it's fine. So for some of you that are in profit, you can decide to take your profits, this 14% profit you're in now, and wait for that retest to come back here and buy. For some of you that would think that, oh, it's not going to happen, the market will keep pumping for me, you can hold. Some of you can put break even, then put another entry at that point. Pattern you anyway you feel it didn't fit. But what I will not take is that the market being the market does some things, and some people will come and want to say something that doesn't make. I've shown you market structure. Yeah, show me your own. I always talk about data. If you're coming to this live stream back to back, at this point in time, you are familiar with biggest DC talking about data. Show me your own data. Show me historically. I've shown you inverted head and shoulder historically. I've showed you double bottom. Go and check it historically. Go and check it historically. Then show me that your own that is the counter of this. Show me it historically. Let us see. You know what the hell? Yes, trading is difficult on some days. Those things people call manipulation happens. Yes, but that doesn't mean that. Of course, now we have people they call market makers. They know that, okay, a lot of professionals might be on this with a big open, big size and all that. They might do one or two things to clear them. It happens. That is why we now have a new tool called liquidation map. Liquidation map was not a thing some years ago. It is a thing now. Oh, we now know that, okay, look at what market makers are doing. 10x leveragers are around this place. If you know how liquidation map works, oh my god, I don't dare in the spirit. For us to continue, comment power. Comment power. I'm not in the spirit. I'm not in the spirit. Comment power. Yes, King Sammy said just $8 from hitting SL. Bro, crazy, man. Crazy yesterday. Power. Power. Anything I'm showing you, screenshot it and go and put on ChatGPT. Screenshot it and go and check YouTube, check other places. Do your history, do your findings. I mean to say, you know, some people they are waiting for you to lose. We are fucking champions here. Do you know what a champion is? A champion is a winner that have won over and over again. That winning is not like his second name. That is championship. That doesn't mean that 1 or 2 days you're not going to lose. You're going to lose 1 or 2 stuff. But when you lose those one, it's part of fact. Some of you are scared of coming out to say I lost a trade. Oh, Jesus Christ. Me, if I lose 10 trades, I will come and post it proudly. But though I've never lost 10 trades and I'm not going to lose that 10 trades. But I'll come and say it proudly. You know why? Yeah, you have the earlier you fail, the earlier you are closer to your greatness. You know, there are some words that some of you are used to hear already. That is why we are saying hustle and motivate. Some of you are used to some words here already. You know what I'm talking about. Data. I'm talking about research. I'm talking about history. So some of you are used to these words, right? That is the same way some of you. I'm saying right on that the power. That's the same way some of you don't know that we are here with transparency, accountability. Anything I'm telling you, anything I'm showing you here, I'm always using that word: scrutinize, scrutinize it, scrutinize it, scrutinize it. Question. Let me ask a question. How many of you will still be my fans, even if we have 1 month losing streak? How many of you will still want to listen to me, even if we have 1 month losing streak? Make I know people will really love me, and people will just the. How many of you will still be my fan if we have 1 month losing streak, even if we have 1 month losing streak, which has never happened? Meanwhile, let me read out Rambo. Okay, Rambo Chuku. Rambo, no can shoot me, I beg you. He said, there we are still aggressive sellers there, even after the breakout. That's my understanding. Till market breaks that long manipulation they they, they did on Wednesday, I still think the buy might not hold. Okay, cool. So if you read this Rambo, okay, let me do this. If you read about the history of candlestick and you understand candlestick, you understand that what matters in a candlestick is not really the wick. Wick is WICK. It is not really the wick. What matters, it is the body. That day that this thing happened in the market, we were on a sell trade. It came close to our stop loss and boom, won. The same way we almost hit stop loss on our conservative trade and boom, we are winning now. Right? Now, that body does not really matter. That wick does not really matter. On this chart, is that wick on this chart is showing you that they wanted to be a breakout above the neckline that BTC was forming, but BTC said, the seller said no. The sellers pushed it down. Yesterday, that breakout happened. They did their thing. That's what happened there, right? Okay, let me show you the power of backtesting. Rambo, when I show you the power of backtesting, you're going to see some stuff right now and you will understand better. Meanwhile, let me read the comments from my dream chasers. So Vertex says, sure, me. Mafo said, Wallahi, I'll be with you, but that is if it happened. Photo do say I will still stay. I now understand your thesis on analysis. Cool. Okay. Ying say I'm with you to the end. Uh Animal King say no, they possible. Now, of course, we're not gonna have, God forbid, it's not gonna happen ever. 1 month losing streak, impossible. Let me show you something. The opposite of double bottom is double top. Hi. Oh, this guy won't make me teach too much things here. But I'm going to show you. You need to understand the greatness. That's why I'm telling you that if this same pattern shows up 10 times, I will take it. I know I might lose one or two, but I will take it. I'm going to show you the power of now backtesting, the power of data. I will show you. Now, let us mark this out here. Sharp, 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 sharp. This is top one, right? Neckline, top two, breakout, retest, dump, 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 dump to this place. This is what we call double top pattern. Retest to the neckline. This is the neckline. Let me show you what neckline is. Let me mark it out for you right now. That's the opposite. This is neckline. You put your entry and boom. So I just showed you top one, top two, breakout, retest, neckline. I showed you the neckline, top one, top two, breakout, retest, and dump. I just showed you that now, right? Now, that is what we call backtesting. I don't know why my earpiece is my headphone is okay. Marvin said this year I stand with you. Oshe. So now let's do this. Let us do this. Teach you things for free. We can start from here, we can start anywhere, but then let's do this. Okay, we have bottom one. You can use the wick, you can use the body. Bottom one, this place is the neckline. Bottom two, breakouts, right? We have one breakout here, depending on where you sit. But then let's use this breakout. Let me expand this. Breakout to this nearest candle. We have a retest. You can see the wick. We have a retest. What happened? Look at our neckline here. This place is our neckline. What happened at our neckline? I don't know why this Bluetooth is just disconnect and all that, you know. But please, is this clear? I'm trying to use another microphone right now. This Bluetooth, I don't know. I think it needs to charge. Is this clear, please? Is the sound clear? If the sound is clear, then I move on. The fuck, my ears, I'm sounding somehow because I closed my ear on this one. Is this sound clear? Okay, clear. Good. Because I'm in the spirit now. This Rambo Chuku have put me in the spirit. So I've shown you double top, it played out, double bottom, it played out, right? This same thing that we wanted to use yesterday. Now I'm going to show you that stuff. Just like right now, we have another one. Okay, no. Oh my God. Hi. Oh, Jesus Christ. Now, see something that happens here. Let me show you guys something. This is okay. Bottom one, neckline. Bottom two. Notice we did not have a breakout. We did not have a breakout. So this dump is valid. But breakout is seldom. Oh, Jesus Christ. Let me show you another thing. So because of in trading, I don't they teach. Oh, I don't they teach. I'm teaching you guys too much things here. Now, bottom one, trading does not have any. We don't expect equality or any perfect. Let's say the bottom two must be here. No, it's not like that in trading. They will have a breakout. Then look at the retest to the neckline. That red candle there. Let me expand this so that I can see it. You see the retest to the neckline. Let me show you. Now I'm marking out the neckline like this. You can see the retest, right? What happened? This came in, and can you see the buys? So you set your entry here, is buying. I don't enter the spirit. So I don't know what you mean by I don't know what you mean by there was no break off. Let me show you another thing here. You need to understand what's going on. Now, see BTC, bottom one, neckline, bottom two. This was not a breakout. Look at when we experienced no, look at a breakout candle here. This particular candle was broken above. Then we had a small test and we had the buy. I'm going to show you so that you see. Now, look at it. You see how that green candle closed? Let me delete this so that that place will be very clear for everybody to see. Now, you see as small as this green candle is, this one here, you see how it closed above and then it tested the neckline. What happened? There was buy. So I don't understand. You see, that is why probably me, I'm very good at what I do. That is why probably me, I'm different at what I do. Maybe it's not anybody's fault, sha. Maybe the confirmations you're waiting for are not the same type of confirmations I'm waiting for. And it's okay. It's okay. You understand what I'm saying? It's okay. So what I'm saying is that you need to now, one of the reasons you are attending this, you are watching this, it's not for you to come here and argue anything, right? I'm not saying you should not share your opinion. Please share your opinion. But what I'm saying is that in sharing your opinion, still try and look into what this guy is trying to do. This guy is doing. Trust me, you should look into it. Because now we have 198 people. Yes, the neckline is important. The neckline is the confirmation. One there's a breakout above the neckline, if it's in a double bottom, the neckline that was a resistance is now a support. Once it taps into that support, buy. Once it taps into the support, you buy. This Mafo say spirit high. Omo, spirit, oh Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Once it taps into the neckline, buy. If it's a double bottom, double top, once there's a breaker, just mark out your neck. You see the tools I'm using, mark out your neckline. Once there's a retest into that neckline, you sell. Do this 10 times, Allah will lie, with consistent margin, and obviously I'm not over leveraging. Do this consistently. Your life has changed. Hey! Oh, I just divide it. Power, power, power. Comment power, comment power, 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 power. Comment power. Oh. Power, 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 power. Yeah, photo dude, my guy. I like photo dude because photo dude is my student from Europe, So photo dude, he bought Dream Chasers code, our course. So he bought the course, and bro, he just sent me. In fact, let me show you what photo dude sent me on Telegram right now. He just sent me something on Telegram. Always, bro, this guy is and photo dude, I must commend you because why I said I must commend you is because of your understanding is epic. The way you could easily understand the market, you know, understand the market, and you know, bro, that's amazing. So see what he just sent me. Let me show you guys. He just sent me this stuff on Telegram. Please, photo dude, please. I don't know. I don't know if people can be able to search and send you messages, but then um please don't feel bad. That I'm sharing this, okay? So this is what he sent me. The reason why I'm showing this is because of I need people to understand what is going on here. So I'm like, yo, congrats, brother. He sent me this just now. Congrats, brother. He said taking partials and SL at BE. He got the ETH yesterday. So he's like, he took this long this morning, and it's like this to a matter of time, and he has sent me the results here already. And this is like one of my best students so far. You understand? He's like one of my best students so far. So this is what we've been doing since and all. Then this is not just him sharing me um this is not just him sharing me screenshot of his wins. No. So this is our group, Dream Chasers Mentorship. You see what this guy is doing here? You see what he's doing? Bottom one, bottom two, bottom three, he has taken his buys. He's learning.
doing the analysis. You get what I'm saying? Nobody's sensing charts more than him here. You understand? So we got about 9 people here in this mentorship group. The people that bought the course and got into the. Oh my God. Okay, yeah. I thought I was not showing that. So yeah. So you get what I'm saying? So this is like real shit, man. This guy, he's from Europe. He's we have other people here. Some of them told me they're on holidays now, that they went out with family and all, so they are not active now, but from different countries obviously, but they are gonna get active. I'm so glad of this. I'm so happy about this is because of, not that I don't appreciate my Nigerian fans, please. I love you people so much. I appreciate you people so much. I go, oh my God, you don't understand. From the bottom of my heart, I love you all so much, right? But when our skills, our talent is now breaking borders, it's now going abroad, it is another different type of joy. You get what I'm saying? So please, you need to understand me, okay? It's another different type of joy that, oh, we are now breaking boundaries, we're not breaking borders. A lot of people, they see Nigerians as scammers. That is why I come on live stream. I say, no, we are not scammers. We are freaking intelligent people. We know we are smart people. We are not. Don't limit us. Don't bottle up. Don't bottle us up as scammers. In fact, on Twitter, you can now know where an account is based on Twitter. Now, most of the scam projects that came out last year, they came out from that on the Twitter account. We have all of them. Most of them are based in the US. So please, Nigerians were not those kind of people. Please, if you're a proud Nigerian, drop your Nigerian flag. So that is why I am so glad when these foreigners, they buy our product. Photo Dude spent a total of $840. Am I right? A total of $840 to be able to get the top tier for this particular course. Right, Photo Dude. That was the amount he spent, $840. That is, you are buying this from a Nigerian from abroad. Like, bro, like, I mean, anybody and everybody will be proud of it. For you to make $300 as a musician in Nigeria, you need to have 1 million streams. So as it's like this now, what he bought from the course he bought, 400, is like Dream Chaser having like 2 million or 2.5 million streams. So you see why I appreciate, and I'm a very grateful person. Like, I practice gratitude. So anything that's happened in my life, I practice, and that's another mindset everybody needs to develop. Gratitude. I don't have time for. That's why I say some people that used to. I don't know why they used to comment rubbish. You understand? Okay. So you see, $800, and I mean, like, bro, this guy has changed. I believe his understanding about the market have changed and everything, and I'm so happy. Okay, saying yes, boss. Okay, Photo do this, like, yes, boss. I took a loan, confidently trusting your analysis, and I'll be following you. Thank you so much. I'm so happy that the kind of result, belief, and all that. That's why some people that will come and be dragging me. You don't have any single greatness. Nobody know you outside. Nobody. This one go pay them. I swear they go begin text me more messages. Let me check if they have sent you another message. They feel threaten me today. You understand? So if you're in my shoe now, people are seeing your value outside. People are trying to get involved with you and all of that. Will you be paying attention to all these people who be say they just stay here? They never even, maybe they just they one small room. You understand? So DC is oh, everybody here, all of us must win. There's something I said, by a special grace of God, we're going to start that target. Thank God I've gotten a lot of people in my team. Um, God will not have Dream Chasers management, right? People that are managing me and all. So we're going to do something and build a structure around it. We're going to be having, it's just that Africans will have little capital, right? But we're going to work on it. Um, by a special grace of God, we'll be working on that little capital till it gets big. We'll start having hitting milestones. Milestones like, okay, these first 3 months, look at what we're planning to do. There was a time I used to do it, but not as officially as this. We'll open a piggy vest account. Everybody, all of you, go open your piggy vest account. We'll have target of saving this money for the first quarter. Once we're trading, we're taking that profit, we're putting it there. We're taking that profit, we're putting it there, we'll save. When the first quarter is over, everybody will show that, oh, we're able to achieve this individually, but we are building a take profit culture, we are building a savings culture, and it is affecting us positively in real life. When we achieve that, we'll keep doing milestones like this until one day we'll build an estate. We'll have an estate, real life dream chasers estate. Everybody, or almost not everybody. I don't believe in everybody. No, I don't believe in everybody winning. Everybody cannot win. But the few selected of us that are active, you understand? The few selected of us that are active, we will, you understand, achieve greatness, pure real life greatness. You understand? And am I talking too much now? For the real estate own, there's a project I'm running now. Once I finish that project, I will announce it before we then get to that. You know me, I like to lead first. I will do first then now. So once I run and finish, I will update on that. You understand? But we are going to do a lot together as a community. You understand? We're going to do a lot together as a community. A lot. So I don't know when you got to know me, but man, we're going to do a lot together. Trust me, I am passionate about all of us winning, or the few selected ones winning. I am passionate, and we must win. We must win. Please comment. We must win. We must win. We must win. Nothing will stop us. It will light and light. No forces on earth in this universe can stop us from emanating our greatness. No forces. We must win. If you are an unbeliever before, if you're a self-doubter, if you used to doubt yourself before, if you used to look at yourself less before, as far as you and I have crossed paths and you're always active, we must win. Like those doubts will clear. You see, um 2020, 2019, I almost gave up. I was 24 years old as of 2019. I almost gave up. Almost, like life was just I was earning 15,000. I mean, no, 19,000 something as a youth corper. There's this guy, my guy, Brian. Brian is was based in Cyprus then. Brian name on Instagram was Dream Chaser Brian. That time my name used to be Justice the King. I used to do music then and all that. Kai, I saw that guy's name, Dream Chaser Brian. I told myself from today, my name will become Dream Chaser JTK. So Dream Chaser Justice the King. Your name, there is power in your name, especially for those of us that are Africans. We know this. There is power in your name. From that day, I told myself no negative thought on earth will ever make me quit on any of my dreams. No negative. That is why when some people they are sending me some type of message, I know that in their mind they think they are doing it to bring me down. You cannot. You that is trying to bring me down and all that, you will finally get inspired by me. I changed my name to Dream Chaser, and I told myself nothing will stop me from chasing my dreams. Nothing on earth will make me lose focus on my dreams. No matter the emotion, if I'm happy, I am chasing my dreams. If I'm sad, I'm chasing my dreams. If I'm depressed, I'm chasing my dreams. If I'm sick, I'm chasing my dreams. I show up every day. Since that day till today, I have been very active. 2019, 24 years old. 2020, broke, many things happened. 2020, almost same thing. 2025, my kids are in school. 30 years old, my kids are in school. It's why I like talking about my kids, right? Because family is the biggest win. Got a family, wonderful school, they call me daddy, they want to talk to me. That is priceless. See how your life can change in by saying, "You see me and no go give up." In less than 5 years, everything has changed. I'm not there, I'm not there where I want to be at the top, but I have come a long way, and this can be your portion. See, after all is said and done, the biggest win is family. And so far, everything I believe in is concerned in this world. By the special grace of God, Dream Chaser has won. You get me? So please, yes, Photo Dujo, let me pin this. This is a very, very epic comment. See what he said. The power of conviction, the power of having a goal so clear, everything else becomes a distraction. So you get as for those of you that know me in real life, I am always by myself. If you see me, see my hair, I'm plaiting my hair, I got earring. If you see the way I dress, you think that yo, this guy is a baller, this guy likes ball. I see me in my hotel room, only me. I am always by myself because a lot of things are like distractions to me already. I am just working every freaking day towards my goals and ambition. Yesterday, I told my father about a new dream, a new goal yesterday. I told my father. My father said, no, please, no, don't go there, please, this and that. I told him, sir, daddy, look at the next thing I want to go into. I mean, if I go into that thing at this young age, it's going to be very mad. They'll be like, what? This boy at a small age, and that is what I like to do. At my kids' school, I am the youngest parent there. So when I go there with my hair, my earring, the parents will be looking at me like that. I am so happy. I'm not like, oh, look at this elderly man, this chairman, you know, you are coming to school, but you see me, Yopi Daddy, I'm coming. I'm happy. And all of them know me now because of what I stand out. So this can be your portion. This can be your power, 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 power. Thank you, Photo Dude, for that comment. Let me bring this out. So I was seeing some comments. Let me read some comments. Okay, we got power, 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 power. Animal King said be coming down. He said be coming down. He didn't say power. Power, 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 power. So okay, weekly is bullish, monthly we have to support. Buy. Haha, bullish with DC, full data, full power. Yeah, it's true that aid, aid, or ended at aid, and now I don't know why I cannot pronounce the name. Biggest DC, ultra power. Yes, this knowledge is good. Now good. Oh, yes, please, biggest DC. There's news today that affects. Is there any news today that affect market movement? There's always news. Sometimes we don't know about news. There's always news in the market. Trust me, every time. That is why candlesticks were invented, so that you can be able to and chart, so that you can be able to know, oh, what are these people trying to do? I don't necessarily need to know all the news. Let me tell you something. The reason why the reason why I am interested in knowing many things, trying to look into fundamentals and all that, I'm not going to lie to you. The reason why I'm doing that is just because of I have a community. I love information. I like sounding knowledgeable. I like teaching. You understand? That is why I care about those things. If not, on a normal day, TA is enough. I don't need to know what news wants to happen. I will just check my TA and take my trade. But just because of course, I have to teach people. I want to inspire people. I always like researching, knowing new stuff and all that. You get me right? So no matter any news that want to come out, I've told you what I'm expecting on BTC. The worst case, it returns to the support and pump again, and boom, 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 we win. Is the course still available to buy? Yes, the course is available to buy. I cannot pin a link here, but you can check my pin tweet on Twitter, right? Though the 50% discount is no longer there. Or you can send me a DM. Send me a DM. You understand? I'll direct you. I'll answer your questions before you get into it. You understand? So, okay, DC, please. Is there any prop for crypto aside props? I think you mean prop W. Honestly, I trust prop W. You know the reason why I trust prop W? Because prop W is a sister company to coin W. This is a standard exchange, a standard crypto exchange. Okay, so they are not going to fuck up. You get, at least for now, they're not going to fuck up. Okay, so I think prop W, okay, is cool. Okay, we must win. Is the cost available to buy? Yes, it is. The cost is always there. It's part of our product in the market. It's always there. Okay, cool. Ishola said, knowledge is power. Thanks for this. Thanks for this giving knowledge. Okay, yeah, you're welcome. Marvin said the Bank of Japan wants to hike rate, and there's a chance it will be bearish, but I got my longs on break even. Okay, cool. That's still okay. That's still okay. Me, I am bullish. Okay, and I am bullish. The market, some people might say the market is at an indecision point, right? I am bullish, but I will show you a lot of possibilities. You understand? But I'm bullish. Come on. Boss, you're too much. Oshe, Oshe, Oshe. We got 224 people in the building. Woo! 224 people are watching me. Omo, you never talk to 200 people. That's a big crowd, though. That's a big crowd. 224 people, Twitter. All right, let's dive into the chat as usual. Oh shit, man, I need to remove this now. So I mean, those people that are on this stuff, they're on 1 year mentorship from me. Bro. You could just come in to buy the course, buy the top tier, obviously, get into the 1 year mentorship, and you know we gonna win together. You want win with DC. Then I always encourage people, anywhere you are, and you see that there's progress there, you see that there are people are doing things there. I advise you always try as much as possible to be in their inner circle because they are doing things. So they are doing things that so they say inside cartel, another cartel dey. All right, before I continue, where are you from? Drop your country flag, where you're based in, where you're from, drop your country flag. I've been talking for 1 hour 48 minutes. Let me just take a chill pill a little bit. So just drop your country flag. Where are you from? On the 26th of November 2025, this guy, Camilo, was on a live. Yo, get your comments coming in. Let your comments come in. Let your comments come in. I really want to know where you guys are from because I mean, a lot of people are here. Like 226 people. That's a lot of people. It's not easy for 226 people to become to watch something about finance. You know, it's not easy. Oh yeah, this guy is like, yo, biggest, thank you, biggest DC for the motivation and sharing your story. Really means a lot to me. You're welcome, brother. You're welcome. That's what we're here for. We hustle, we motivate, we must win. Must. You know why we must win? A lot of people don't want us to win. Oh. You as you're like this now, from your family, your friends, they don't want you to win. And you have to win for crying out loud. So we must win. No matter the matter. We must win. We must win. And let me tell you something, right? See why you don't want me to play with this skill. Don't play. See, if you have money to trade and you have money to buy Dream Chasers code, please don't trade. Buy that Dream Chasers code. Now, let me tell you why. You are trying to invest in a lifelong skill, a skill that you can use on stock market, indices, economies, bond, forex. You know, bro, just you see, Photo Dude is based in Europe. With time, Photo Dude might retire from his job. With time, Photo Dude will be earning from his house, just like the way I am. I traveled. I'm in another city right now. I'm going to travel again soon. You know, bro, just learn a lifelong skill. AI is going to replace a lot of jobs. How many of you know that AI is going to take a lot of jobs away? But do you know that what AI cannot do is to do this thing I'm doing here? True or false? No AI, the elite. Let me tell you something. This is how to think. You have to. Ah, see, the elite can permit. The elite can permit AI to do videos, AI to do songs, AI to do graphic designs. But the elite cannot permit AI to be able to predict the market like this, the way we do it. If the AI, we have an AI that can be able to do this like this, that AI goes viral, the financial market will crumble. True or false? I want to hear your thought. Let me understand your thought process so that you know, so that you start knowing the things. These days, AI can be used to do coding, do applications. True or false? Yeah, photo do say that's the dream, a lifetime skill. I'm chasing the dream, independence. Invest, yeah, cool. I'm happy. Somebody say three white soldiers can do confirmed on the 4 hours time frame bullish. Yeah, we're fucking bullish, trust me. Yesterday was just crappy. I was like, what? You wanna mess my P up, but it's okay. So I said something. There's something I said. I said, I want to understand your thought process. All right. The elite will not. So I wanted to understand your thought process, right? Right. I said I want to understand your thought process, and I'm like, the elite will not allow AI to replace technical analysis, because if AI replaces technical analysis, everything will crash. True or false? I want to get your comment. I want to see how. I want to like understand how some of you reason stuff and all that. Photo do say AI will replace every repetitive process, every process with little effort, every process that doesn't require much thought. Okay. Guys, I'm waiting for your comment. Come on. Drop your comment. Drop your comment. Oh my God. Guys, it seems this network is lagging again, yeah? Are we lagging again? uh, Harley said, from now up, I will adopt DC to my name. Please permit me. Well, yes, why not? There are some of my followers. If you check their profile, they're going to see Dream Chaser on their profile. They claim the name Dream Chaser. They want to be like, they now focus on their dreams. You understand? So yeah, Decrypted said, okay, no, okay, cool. So yeah, so I don't think AI is going to replace technical analysis in the future, but AI will replace a lot of other things in the future. So please invest and learn a lifelong skill like technical analysis. Invest in it. Invest. It's smarter to invest in learning before trying to. Um, it's smarter to invest in learning before trying to make money. Trust me, it's smarter. Then okay, let's try other markets. Let's try some other stuff. Then please, I from time to time I do share some offers exchanges are offering our community and all that, right? So please make sure you all take advantage of that, and yep, inshallah we shall win. So always, and again, one more thing, please turn on post notifications, right? So wherever you're watching from right now, kindly turn on post notifications, okay? It's very important to turn on post notifications because sometimes this algorithm, it doesn't really push stuff to everywhere. So in fact, let me ask, how many of you have my post notifications turned on different channels? If you have it, just drop an emoji, comment, something like that. So you got Dream Chasers turned on. Let me know. Or that is your you got the post notification turned on. Let me know, please. Okay, Mr. Vertex said I do. Okay, most guided say notifications on all socials. So you see, most guided. Most guided is one of my most active followers. Check most guided's profile picture. He's putting on a Dream Chasers shirt. I just saw it now. He's putting on a Dream Chasers shirt, polo there. Uh, yes, O'Shea. All those people where they bully me, most guided follow for the person where they attack all of them for Twitter. Those people where they bully me. Now him be our Dream Chasers army. Okay, photo do say notifications activated. Okay, cool. So you all should turn on post notifications, on every, like, I mean, there's so much value given out here, so turn it on. Okay, so let's check other markets. Let's see. Yesterday we got disgraced. Yesterday, yesterday market showed us shege a little bit. This is that ETH short we have been on. It did not pick entry, it dumped. Right? It did not pick entry, it dumped. Right? Now, this market, what should we do at this market? Look, it just came up a little bit. It did not touch. In fact, let me check another chart. Let me use BingX. Okay, so now what should we be looking at here? What should we be looking at? What should we be like, okay, what is the future of this chart? Now, the first thing to do is let us get a clearer view on, look at another missed entry. Do not pick entry, don't shut the fuck. Okay. So now we have to look at things. We have to be wise. You see the way I'm analyzing. See, there are some things I will not say, all right, but observe. I will not say some things, but observe them. Okay, Dream Chaser wanted, let me give an example. Okay, Dream Chaser wanted to analyze the market, but he first of all went to a daily time frame and observe, okay? Photo most guided say, I mount you as my biggest is soon win your chief of army staff. I know if you wait. You get person will bully me. I will show you the guy. The guy they try harass me. I will show you that guy. Don't we use and do a small example. You understand? So okay. So I'm bullish. Like I said, I'm bullish, and I'm going to show you my conviction, right? Why I'm bullish. Okay. So there's something we know as POI. POI is called the point of interest. Okay. Oh my God, I'm educating you people too much. Oh God, I'm too passionate about this. Fuck. Okay. So POI, point of interest, where support meets resistance. Okay. So let's start from here. In fact, let's start from here. So starting from here, you can see, oh my God, this is a massive POI. So you can see this is support, this particular place. Now you can see support, price bounce from there. Then this is resistance, resistance, resistance. Prices got there and went down. Then it broke above. Then back to this place. It bounced a little bit, then broke, then resistance, then support again, resistance. Then we're coming back to here. This is a wonderful POI. Point of interest. Prices react from a POI. People, traders, investors, they are very, very interested in POIs. POI, point of interest. Let me write it out there. POI. So POI. So this is a POI. Okay. Now at a POI, would they have something at a POI? We have something at a POI. This thing we have at a POI is called bottom one, bottom two, bottom three. When they say bottom one, bottom two, bottom three, what does it tell us? Let me ask the house now. So to the general people watching me, we've got 247 people here. Um, these 247 people watching me right now, in technical analysis, for those of you that know technical analysis, right? When we have a triple bottom, what does a triple bottom mean? Okay, so bro, I'm live streaming right now. I just woke up live streaming, been on this live stream for like let's see 2 hours plus. We got 246 people in here. Yeah. Okay, so please ask the question. So POI, what I mean to say, when we have a triple bottom, if a triple bottom shows up on the chart, what does it mean? Please, the general house, please update me. What does it mean technically? Triple bottom. Most guided commented bullish. It means total reversal, strong support on the POI bounce up. Photo dude. Okay. Please, you all should go. Just comment, educate me. Educate. I'm listening. No, or rather, I'm reading. Please drop your comments, please. I'm reading the comments. Okay, we got people saying strong support, strong this, strong that. Cool, 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 cool. So I like the fact that you people are the one that saying what we should do, so that you people will not say that it is me that made you people fail. Then let me circle this out. I don't like teaching this or talking about it, but then I'm going to circle it out because it's a thing. So it's a thing in trading where I circled out, right? Though this candle is here to close, today candle is here to close, but these three candles I circled out right now, the three candles I circled out right now, can it be, is it something, is it what we call, let me enlarge it. Is it something we call a morning star candle? Yeah, those last three candles there, though the last one is led to close for today, but is it what we call a morning star candle? For those of you that know how the name candlesticks and all that, hammer, all those things, is it what we call a morning star? And my fans, okay, I'm reading comments, I'm reading comments. I'm just talking about the three candles here. Yeah, most guided, yeah, your comment is valid. But I'm talking about that one I circled now, the one I circled out. Okay, let me remove this because I'm going to block this stuff. For those of you that know peas about candles and all that. Please, I'm waiting for your comment, please. Ugochukwu say we didn't hit stop loss on BTC because this. Yeah, that is for the conservative, but the aggressive we lost. But the conservative we didn't hit. We're in profit. You know. Harley said yes, sir. This is Morningstar bullish. Okay. So some of you could just easily go to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT or maybe YouTube and say, I don't know, anywhere, just say, give me a picture of a Morningstar and what a Morningstar indicates. Anyways, anyways, bottom line, bottom line, that is you know, that is like bullish is bullish on a daily time frame. Though I'm dropping this though and disclaimer, though um the last the daily candle for today have not closed. Okay, it has not closed. So, and the only time you can confirm and have a strong solid bias on anything is when we have a closure for today, which is yet to happen. Okay, which is yet to happen. Which is yet to happen. So now let's take it down to a 4 hours time frame. So for now, we have now seen, okay, look at where we're at the market. We're at a support at the market. So let's then look and let's then look, let's check what the 4 hours got for us. That's just it. Let's check what the 4 hours got for us. So on the 4 hours, right, there was yesterday a fake out. I'm still going to put my entry at that point. That's just the truth. This fake out came down yesterday. I'll still put my entry there. Let's try this now. So, mhm, okay, okay, cool. Oh my God. So please, today, nothing like aggressive to do. In fact, we always do conservative. We always do conservative. Just few times we do aggressive. And we saw Shege yesterday. So, so anyways, so this is my ETH setup, right? Um, Let me check this. This is a 1:3 setup. 1:3 is to the word ratio. So I'm going to call out the signal right now. Somebody should type it out, then I'll pin it. So type it together, I'll pin it, okay? So if you're active, comment active. If you're active, comment active. Bro, I need to see comments. I'm just seeing two comments. Man, are you serious? Okay. Okay, comments are coming in. Active, active. Decrypted is active. Electric is active. Photos is always active. Yo, how many of you are active, man? I need to know how many of you are active so we get to do this now. Damn, man. I just woke up and straight to live stream. Jesus Christ. We've been here for like 2 hours, 17 minutes. Even my wife don't comment active. I am. Okay, so let's do this. So somebody should call the signal out. While I'm calling it out, somebody should write it, okay? Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. So long ETH, long, it's a long trade, buy trade. Long ETH entry is 2860.24. 2860.24. Stop loss is 2687.16 or dot 16, right? 2687.16. Take profit is 3428.60. 3428.60 for take profit. Please, your leverage for this trade is 5x leverage. 5x leverage for this trade. So that is your leverage for this trade. So contrary to popular opinion, right? A lot of people are a lot of people are bearish today. Um, I don't know. They say Japan. I don't know. Contrary to popular opinion, this is my view on ETH. I don't know. We might win, we might lose, right? So don't go all in. Practice great risk management. Yeah, we might win, we might lose, but please, I believe we're going to win, right? And I believe that Japan, you know, I believe that Japan is going to help me win. Okay, so yeah, so I believe Japan will help me win. So let's let's get it. Okay, so who got it? If you got it, you can let me know. So if you got it, type it out. Then let others. I'll pin it. I'll pin it. So type it out. We got 280 people here. Japan hike rate by 20. Is the news out? Is the Japan news? I'm not following that out actually. Is the Japan news out? Okay, the news is out. The news is not even touching the market. What was happening? Why? Because me personally, I pay more attention to like the USA. USA is very solid and all. China is solid. So why were people? Why you people should educate me honestly? I don't know why were people talking about the news. Like, what was the whole buzz about the news? Please, because this is the first time I'm hearing it. I'm not gonna lie, so I don't know. Antisocial said, but you said it has been pricing already. Like me, I don't know. I just know that the chat is telling me buy sha. I don't know. This is what the chat showed me. So I'm going to stick to what the chat shows me. So I don't know. So what was the whole hype about the news? I stick to more of like USA. I love USAP because USA they will change. They will do a lot. They do a lot in the market. Then yo, who got this? Who got the signal? Like nobody typed it out. We got 285 people in here. Yo, welcome, 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 welcome. Ah, see hotel why they for they get chicken for the back. The chicken just they cool like say I dey for trenches. So guys, please, nobody's commenting. I don't understand. Like, I need to understand what was the whole Japan P all about. Then, did you guys get a signal? So let's move on to the next thing. Did you get a signal? You know, 288 people. Soon will be 300 people here, man. Wow. Okay. Okay, it's just like US. US cut rate, market pump. Why Japan hike rate, market is supposed to dump. Is Japan that powerful? Is Japan that powerful in the crypto markets? Is it not yen we're trading against? Yen that Japan uses. What concern yen is BTC paired to yen. It's going to affect USD. USD yen on forex now, not crypto. Abi, am I wrong? Is that not what it's supposed to be? Because it's not yen they trade with. They use in Japan. So is BTC paired to yen? Is BTC paired to yen? To the Japanese yen? Is BTC paired to it? How that one can concern BTC now? You don't really concern BTC. I mean, for what it is, honestly, to be fair, you don't really concern BTC, right? Okay, so please, I'm going to ask this one more time. The ETH signal, did you get the ETH signal? The Ethereum signal, 291 people. Bro, we'll soon get to 300 people here. Boom, boom, boom. Most people on Twitter. Twitter guys say, yay, yay. Okay, so they have strong economy. Does not, yeah, but it's not paired. That's what I'm saying. It's not paired. See, so see the thing here. When a currency is paired to the other currency, it affects the currency inversely, right? So let's say USDT is pumping, BTC will be dumping. If BTC is dumping, USDT will be pumping. If USDT is dumping, BTC is pumping inversely because they are paired together. They are paired. So when it's not paired, it's not going to affect. This is what I know about basic financial markets. They are not paired now. Abi guys, am I not? What I'm saying is it not making sense? So people don't be bothered now. People that are trading USD, Japanese yen, then they'll be like, "Oh, Japanese yen is paired directly to USD. So what's going to be the effect?" But if they're not paired, just like DXY with other currencies, DXY with other US other currencies in the forex space. So I mean, they have larger share of USDT. I beg, I beg, I beg, I beg. The biggest this I salute to. I salute to Elo Chukwu. Elo Chukwu, I greet you specially. Okay. So the ETH signal, please, let's get back to that. The Ethereum signal, the ETH signal I just put out, did everybody get it, please? Did you get it? Did everybody get it? Did you guys get the Ethereum signal, please? I'm asking again. Okay. Okay, you say you got it, but network hindered you from sending. Okay, please. So, should I move on to the next one? Should I move on to the next one? Yo, guys, I need your comments. Like, I cannot move on without you guys commenting because right now I don't know if you can hear me, if the network is bad. So please drop a comment. Like, did you get the Ethereum signal? Should I move on to the next one? Like, man, I need to know. Okay, so yeah, let's move on. Marvel said, yes, Chief, we got it. Okay, cool. I needed to be sure, you get me? Because I mean, we okay, okay. Marvel said the Twitch was stagnant, had to move over to YouTube. Okay, cool. By the way, we just got 300 people in here. We got 314 people in here, bro. Mad. We got 314 people in here. Okay, 312. Okay, they just dropped. Okay, cool. Be active. You say you didn't get it. You see, I've been asking since. Like, I don't know if it was network or something. You know. So I'm gonna call it out again. The signal again. So 2860.24. That is for entry. Stop loss is 2687.16 for stop loss. Leverage is 5x leverage. Take profit is 3428.60 for take profit. Okay. Uh-huh. Somebody say you can't see it clearly. Someone should someone type it? No, you can see it clearly. I've said this before. On YouTube, right? Click on the three dots there on YouTube. You will see stream quality. Stream on the highest quality and you'll be fine. Most guys they say the only thing the Japan news should have influence with should be pair like all the JPY pairs. True. Then nothing concerning them with BTC. I'm hearing that for the first time. True that, me too. Like I don't know why people are then saying Japanese this, Japanese that with BTC. I don't know why. Okay, Panda Crypto said left YouTube because it's slow. I think it's network. It was network. Sorry about that. Sorry. I'll soon travel back to my city. When I travel back to my city, everything will be better. So okay, yes, the thing is when the yen is weak, investors consider that asset like crypto. Okay, cool. It's okay. Okay, let's do one more pair. Let's do one more pair. What pair should we do? Okay, you guys suggest one more pair. I'm gonna analyze one more pair. Then we're done with the live. We got 331 people in here. Shout out to you all. Shout out to you all. You know, 330, 319 people are from Twitter. Twitter people are streaming madly. Crazy, man. Tao is not really a solid coin now to look at, honestly. I'm not gonna lie. I don't really like that coin. It's too volatile for my liking. So I'm sorry, I'm not gonna look at it. Bro, man, we're almost 3 hours here. That's crazy. Somebody says someone should write it out. People should write it out for him now. Write out the signal. Those of you that got it, write it out. BNB. Oh, sharp. BNB is cool. I love BNB. Oh, yeah. Let me just share this and let me be like, yo, we're going to do BNB now, but let me just send out this. I want to send out the image of the chat and tell them to join the live stream. Okay. But then, Panda, I saw your comments here. So we're going to do BNB now.